Hi, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little video that we're making this morning. We have an Etsy shop, and on the listings of our Etsy shop we sell our shamanic drums, and it's very difficult to choose a musical instrument when you actually haven't heard the sound. So the purpose of this video is to accompany the listings so that you can pop along to YouTube, have a listen to the sound, to make a more informed choice, a decision on whether that drum is resonating to you. Today we're looking at this drum. This is a buffalo skin drum. It's on an oak frame and it's got a silver birch handle. It's rather beautiful. It's in an egg shape, as you can see. I won't go on too much. The details for the listing will be underneath the video if you want to pop along and have a look, or you may have already come from the listing on Etsy, in which case all you want is to hear the sound. So I'll stop talking and play. Beautiful. That was miles away then. Hope you enjoyed that video and that drum. Thanks for watching. I've been Crow. Bye for now.